Emergency work in hours, KPI. Sockeye's key performance indicators, also known as KPIs, provide an automated approach in tracking. Emergency work in hours is one of many KPIs available within Sockeye's dashboard. The definition of emergency work is the percentage of maintenance employee labor hours used on emergency work. The metric is to quantify the maintenance labor hours used on emergency activities. The formula is emergency work hours divided by the total maintenance employee hours times 100 to get that percentage. In order to identify what work orders are emergency, you would go into Sockeye and click on the Setup tab in the blue ribbon at the top of your screen. Select Metric Criteria over on the far left-hand side under Setup Data. A setup metric criteria will then appear on your screen. Select Emergency Work. From here, you can plus add criteria to add an additional field. In this case, we're going to view. We're looking at any work orders with a priority is 1. This currently identifies any break-in work to the schedule. Now, click on your weekly schedule in the blue ribbon at the top of your screen. Under the split pane on the left-hand side, select Weekly KPIs. From here, you can select Emergency Work. A pie graph and a bar graph will appear. From here, it indicates that we have 7 hours of emergency work and 168.75 hours used. If we click on this emergency work, it will identify in blue up above the work orders that have a priority of 1 and was identified as emergency. The hours from Monday through Sunday have been added up to provide that total of 7 hours within the schedule. The 168 hours used is the total amount of hours within the schedule from Monday through Sunday in this grid, and is how we get the 4%. If you have further questions on emergency work orders, please reach out to your Sockeye rep.